Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing another art vlogmas, and if you guys didn't know already, I'm doing an art themed vlogmas because you know YouTubers all do lots of vlogmas things, so I thought I'd give it a go but a bit of a twist and added sparkle, razzle dazzle them and call it art vlogmas. And I'm doing digital stuff and as well crafty stuff as well. So for this one I have done a bit of a twist on the whole thing of fairies finding different objects and making them into places they live, but it also being festively Christmassy. So in this video you'll need some clay and of course a book. It can be any size book, it depends how adventurous you want to go or how little you want to go and intricate. It doesn't matter what size, so literally you need a book, some clay and some paints and some glue. Sorry, and some glue because you want to stick on the clay to the book so it stays sturdy on there. So that is all you really need for this crafty Christmas craft. If you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook and my Twitter. Go and check that out now because I always upload my new arty stuff onto that area as well. And why not join my Razzle Dazzle family by clicking the subscribe box and you'll be part of the family of artiness. So I'll show you what your craft hopefully will look like at the end, if by magic. Here we go. So it's a cute little book that I've done and I've made it into a little fairy house. So you've got a cute little fairy door and like vines going up and the windows and some candy canes and of course you've got snow. And I chose this book because I liked it, how it was like gold pages as well, and it's quite a cute size book as well, so I just quite like the quirkiness of the size of it. So hopefully your craft by the end of it should look like this, and I'll teach you step by step how to make it in this video by Voila Me. And I hope you enjoy this video. Do give it a huge thumbs up if you do, and let's get crafting creative. video, and do give it a huge thumbs up if you did, because then I know to make other things on this topic. And as well to follow me on all my social medias, that's Razzdazzle Art. And as well to subscribe to my channel, because then I know you think it's fabulous, and be part of my Razzdazzle Art community online. So your craft should look like this, more or less. It'd be really fabulous to see what kind of crafts you guys have done, like what your books look like. So do message me on Instagram, because if they're really cool I might put them up on my Instagram page and show other people what kind of crafts you've been up to. And as well, if you made a video, do put it in the comment box and link it, because it's really cool to see what kind of stuff you get up to and what you have made from this video. Also, my art is available to buy from Redbubble and on Zazzle, that you can custom make any of my digital designs to be on a bag, a hat, a t-shirt, shoes is a fabulous one, and rucksacks that look really, really cool. So you can go and buy anything from there and I get part of the profit. And I am on an Etsy store where you can buy my prints. So go and check that out right now. And remember to keep crafting creative, and see you guys later.